Hey, our friends here are going to draw fireworks.
Yeah, to celebrate Lunar New Year. We hope you're going to follow along with us. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're going to draw a whole string of fireworks, but let's start with a diamond shape up here at the top. So I'm going to draw the letter V, but it's a really wide letter V so that we can try to draw. It's actually like we're drawing a square if you turn your paper diagonal. If that makes it easier, you can. And then I'm trying to have this point be in the middle of our paper. Yeah, that's awesome. And then we're going to draw an upside down letter V to connect it. So if you turn your paper, it is a lot easier to try to draw a square. Okay, then let's draw a string. We're going to draw a circle, and then we're going to draw a string going up. And then we can also draw a circle here and a circle here. And let's draw little tassels on the side. So I'm going to draw 2 lines coming down on each side. And then we can draw, let's draw an upside down, really tall, skinny letter U. Well, that one got wider. And then we'll connect them at the bottom. And then also, let's draw a little design or extra decoration at the top, 2 lines going across. Okay, now let's draw fireworks. We're going to first draw a line coming down, and we can curve it off to the side too. And we can draw some of the fireworks going off down here. And then let's draw a curve that connects or goes through. And then we're going to draw our first firework. So we're going to draw an oval first. We're going to draw them as cylinder shapes. So we draw 2 squished circles. And then we're going to draw the side of the firework coming out. I'm going to draw a little longer. There we go. Yeah. And then at the end, we're going to match this curve right here, but we're only going to draw part of the oval. And there's our cylinder shape. And we're going to color it red, and we can add gold decorations to it too. But first, let's just draw the shapes. We're going to try to draw them all the same size. That's okay if they're longer, shorter, wider. We're just practicing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then there's the end. Awesome, that looks really cool. Now we're gonna repeat that for as many as we can fit on here. You can fit a lot or you can fit just a little bit. It's up to you. But this part will fast forward, so pause the video and take time to add more fireworks to your drawing. Awesome, you did a great job, Hadley.
Thank you.
Now, down here at the bottom, let's add more fireworks, or 2 more fireworks, but let's draw them exploding. So we're gonna just draw them disconnected from the string. So I'm gonna draw here, almost going off the page, and I'm gonna draw another cylinder going this way. Also did this one 3D or overlapping, but that's because I drew so many, but I like that you spaced them out. That keeps the lesson a little easier. Okay, now down here, we're gonna draw an explosion. So right here, we're gonna draw a zigzag line that goes over and connects to the other firework. And then we're gonna draw a zigzag down here at the bottom too, or connecting them. Yes, and then let's do another one that's a bigger zigzag that even goes behind some of these other fireworks. This is a big string of fireworks. So you just light it at the bottom and then it lights off or explodes all of them as it goes up. So then I'm also gonna draw a bigger zigzag line down here at the bottom. Yes, we did it. We finished drawing our fireworks, except we still need to
color them.
Yes, my favorite part. We're gonna fast forward, so remember to pause the video again and take time to color your drawings. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our fireworks and it turned out awesome. I especially love the explosion. You added all these cool sparkles and it looks really neat.
Thanks, I like the extra details we added with the paint markers.
Yeah, me too. It looks really cool and festive.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing fireworks.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.